Morning everyone, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 17th 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve is actually a 3 stars puzzle. Yeah, this will be number 667. Yeah, 667. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one for 3 stars always 25. Yeah, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s, 3 3s, 1 4, 4 5s. Alright, 3 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 5s are in majority. Can I start with the 5? 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so on the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. Well, not true. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. How about the 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1. Okay. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in the third column, no 9 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 8 and 4. Need a 2 here, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. 6, 1, 5. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left on the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then 2 and the 9. Yeah, no, 2 and the 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1. The 2 is missing, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. No, we have an 8 here. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Correction, 4 and the 9 are missing. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Well. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 2 and 8. Need a 6 here, 6. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row. From the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. We have a pair, The 7 and the 9 in the first row. The 7 and the 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in this second column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Well, 1 in this column. We need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1, 2 and 8. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see here 6 in the last row, no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Yeah. Come on. 4 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes. Oh, we already have 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Wow. Here should be the 4. This should be the 8. Okay. So we have a 4 and an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Okay. 2 and an 8. Well, 4, 6, 5. I'm thinking. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 4, 1. And a 3. Come on, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 8 and the 2. We have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 9. Three missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left in this column. First column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4. Oh, we have a double 8 here. It's not correct. Not correct. What's happening? What's happening? It's not correct. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 3, we have a 3 and a 4, so this box should be a 5 then. 5, 5, 5, yeah. Alright. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. One box left. Nope. 2 boxes left in the third column for numbers 3 and 4. Yeah, here 3, 4, and need a 8 here. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers? The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so that row the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here, or there is here. 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2, wait, 4 and the 3 are missing in this column. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only place left with the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Oh, double 7, nope. This should be an 8, this one. Wow. 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, 7, correct. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The final 2 numbers for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 3 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well. I need for a 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes, and we solve it again. We solve it again in 70 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.